Hello everyone, my name is Moyun Washobwale, a member of Team Diamond in the Afro Data Analytics Bootcamp, and I'll be showing you how we're able to answer our questions for the project. So we answered question 1, question 4, question 5, question 6, and question 7. So we were able to flatten the data set provided using the code Brian gave us. After flattening the data set, we still had to further analyze the data set because we realized we needed to get certain information from just the page column, information like the topics, the languages represented, devices, and all sorts. So we made use of Excel for that. So with Excel, we're able to further break down our page column into other columns using the text to columns feature. We also made use of other features like the filter, copy and paste in Excel, and we made use of some functions like concatenate. We made use of text functions as well, and we were able to achieve this at the end of the day. So we got our date column, day of the week column, number of visits, page column, topic, language code, domain, device type. So after cleaning up our data in Excel, we then went ahead to create our SQLite database using Python, and we used VS Code for this. So we installed the necessary packages and libraries, and after that, we're able to create our SQLite database. After creating our SQLite database, we used DB Visualizer. We created a connection on DB Visualizer. We called it Wikipedia connection, and we then went ahead to run our SQL queries. So for number one, we were able to get the most trending topics on New Year's Day using this SQL query, and this was our result. We did the same. We used the same query for number 1B. We just had to change the date to November 8th. Then for number 4, we were able to get the number of languages with this SQL query. So we saw that there are 7 languages represented in the data set, and we were able to get the proportion of each language with this query. After which, we went ahead to get the most popular days for visiting Wikipedia with the query highlighted, and we also got the devices used for visiting Wikipedia. So after querying the database, we're able to export our results as CSV files and load them in Tableau to make our visualizations. So we're able to load the results for question 1, and we created a bar chart representing the top 25 trending topics on January 1st. We're also able to do the same for 1B. Then for question 4, we created a donut chart showing the proportion for each language. There are about 7 languages. You can see the code for the icon for each language here. Then we also used a bar chart to represent the proportion for each language as well. And for question 5, we used a bar chart to show the most popular days for visiting Wikipedia. You can see it's Monday here, and the least popular day is Friday. Then for question 7, we could see the most popular device. To my surprise, or to the team's surprise, we actually found out that desktops are actually used in visiting Wikipedia more than mobile devices. We actually thought it would be mobile devices that will be used more frequently than desktops. We had all access here, but we decided to go with desktop because with all access, we can't really say if it's desktop or Wikipedia. It can be a mixture of both, or let's just say it was not specified in the data set. So from here, we can say desktop is the device that is used more frequently to visit Wikipedia. We then created our dashboard here, where we added all our sheets, and we just came up with a section for our insights. So yeah, the most trending topics on January 1st are, aside the main page and special searches, we can say entertainment or films. We had people searching for movies, and yeah. So most trending topic for November 8th was US politics aside the main page. There are 7 languages represented in the data set. Monday is the most popular day for visiting Wikipedia. Friday is the least popular day for visiting Wikipedia, and desktop is more frequently used than mobile devices for visiting Wikipedia. Thank you very much. This was actually a fun project to work on with the team.